Ananya and Ashrita here. So today we're going to be making homemade sanitizer. So we'll tell you what the ingredients are right now. So here are the ingredients you need to make sanitizer. So you'll be needing a jar, empty jar, hydrogen peroxide 3% pure, isopropyl alcohol 100% pure, a funnel, glycerine 100% pure, and water. I'm guessing water is 100% pure too. Okay, and you'll be needing some bottles to keep your sanitizer into use. Yeah. So let's start making. Yeah. Oops. So let's begin making. So we'll need 1 cup of isopropyl alcohol. Yeah, isopropyl alcohol. Because we're having 2 bottles to pour in. We're going to make 2 of everything. So 2 cups. So open it. Oh, it's tight. So let's see. You have strength. So 2 cups. This bottle keeps on falling. Good thing mine doesn't. I'm scared. Slowly. Okay, this should be enough. So pour it in there. This might get dry, so let's just close this. Get the funnel in. Funnel. And pour it slowly. If I could do it slowly. Say you can do it. Sorry. Okay, there's filling. Hey, I did it. See? Okay, now. Okay, let's do 1 more cup. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, this should be enough. Oh, there's a little bit of alcohol. Yeah. We're finished with this, so let's keep this aside here. Yeah, all the finished things go here. Okay. Let's do this slowly. Okay. It came, I did it! Okay. So now we pour water. Oh, be careful. If you think you cannot do it, try to take a grown-up's help. So 3/4 cups of water. 2. Because okay, that's enough. Enough? Okay, now will you pour it in there? Yes. Okay, it's getting filled that quickly already. Yeah. So now one more 3/4. Oh, yeah, sorry. 3? You think that'll be enough? What? Water? No, it might not. Yes, it might. Okay. Finished. Okay, finished. Okay. Water's finished. And let's pour this. It's full. Do you think the hydrogen peroxide and the glycerin will flow? Okay. So 2 spoons of hydrogen peroxide. I got an idea. Okay, now pour. Slowly. Phew. Okay, now 1 more. Just keep the spoon balanced on the lid here. I think I got it with my right hand. Okay, enough? Enough. Okay, could you keep the lid at it? Okay. Oh, that was really intense. Yep, I knew you'd say that. So now glycerin. This also 1 spoon. 2 spoons? Yeah. So. Okay, that's enough. Yeah. It looks so like jelly. Yeah. So jelly. Oh, see, bubbles are coming down. Okay, last spoon, and then it's time for my favorite part. Okay, now pour. Yeah. Now it's time for. Actually, I'm just going to mix with the spoon. Yeah. Do you want to mix? Yes, sir. So you got to mix or shake it very well. Yeah. I'm thinking that's enough. Okay, let's keep it on the tissue. Okay, now. Okay, then. So we're going to be shaking it slowly. Did you close the lid tight enough? Only 2 minutes. See how? Okay, enough. Come. Will you be quiet? This part is the main part. You need to take a grown-up's help. Hold the funnel. Hope I can do it. Hope I can do it. You could do it. Okay, it's leaking. Oh, it's leaking. No. Too full. Well, go down slowly. Okay. Okay, now what's next? Okay, I'm taking a grown-up's help, I'll say. Anania's pouring. Yeah, I'm taking a grown-up's help. So we are ready to test it. Hey, I got an idea. You spray with one hand and keep your other hand out for me to spray on. Yeah, okay. Oh, this is not going. Yeah. Mine's good. I got yours. Well, maybe you tried mine. Okay, Kate. How much did you give me? Sorry. Oops. I think this will come up till here. Yeah. Okay, so sanitizer's ready. It's perfect. It worked out. So hope you like our video. And please, and if you don't have sanitizer, make with the stuff. So hope you try it at home. Please try. Like, share, subscribe. The sisters are flying off to the end of the video. Bye-bye.